Hello and welcome to this Checkmate into chess puzzle from 1878. This one was created by C.H. Wheeler. Black just has the king, 2 pawns and a knight. White has the king, a rook, pawn, knight, bishop and a queen. It's white's turn. Can you see the checkmate in 2? Moving your rook to f2 won't get you a mate in 2, but it is the one of the only 2 mates in 3. Black king can take your pawn. You can then check with your queen. And after the king moves, you can get the checkmate with the bishop. Moving the queen to g5 is another mate in just 3. King can move to e3. You can then check with the queen. King's forced to take the pawn. And again, you can checkmate in just 3. Taking the knight of your queen won't get you a mate in 2 unless black advances their c pawn, because then you can take the other pawn to do the mate. Instead, black can move their king to e3. Now, when you check with the queen, the king has an escape square. Checking the king of your queen to g3 move won't get your mate in 2 unless the black king takes your pawn, because then you can mate it 2 with the knight. Instead, black can block with their knight, and there's no mate in 2 after this. Okay, let's have a look at the solution to this one, so pause the video if you need some more time. To get the checkmate 2 for white, you need to move the knight to c3. If black takes your knight back with their knight, you can move the queen to d4 to checkmate in 2. If black decides to take your knight with their d-pawn, then the queen can just take the knight to checkmate in 2. If the black king takes your knight, you can move your queen to a3 to checkmate in 2. And if the black king moves to e3, you can then move your queen to g3 to checkmate in 2. That's the end of this video. Please like and subscribe and see you next time.